Lovely. That's called the Bechamel Sauce. Okay, Bechamel is a very old style sauce based on milk. Okay, for 1 liter of Bechamel, depends how thick I want to make it. This one I want to make very thick. I'm going to use about 100 gram butter and about 100 gram flour. If it's a little bit liquid, I'm making 80 gram flour, 80 gram butter. I'm going to make a half liter. I'm going to melt the butter, 50 gram. Don't make it too hot. Beurre Monnier. Okay, 50 gram flour. Mix it. Stir it up well until the roux loosens from the bottom of the pan. It comes loose. Don't burn it. Don't burn it. And then use this wonderful Paul's milk here. The most beautiful milk in the world. Okay. I put slowly a little bit inside. And I'm going to boil it now. Make sure I have no lumps. It's getting thicker and thicker. I'm adding more of this wonderful Paul's milk here. Okay, then this a milk sauce is a very dull sauce. You need a lot of salt and pepper. I'm using salt here. Always put it in your hand first. Don't be scared. It's a very... Then I use white pepper, corn. I use white pepper, not black pepper, white. That's quite a lot. Doesn't matter. And then I need to boil this sauce for about as long as possible, to get the taste of the flour out. The ideal thing would be about 20 minutes. Now this is very thick sauce. It's very easy to burn. So most probably I cannot not boil it for 20 minutes, otherwise it will burn. But I try. So I use nutmeg here. I'll show it to you in a minute. Nutmeg. Make sure you have no lumps. Make sure you go into the corner of the... You always can add a little bit milk and evaporate it. If it's too thin, just evaporate it. If it's too thick, add a little bit milk. So try to go into the corner with your whisk. Now I'm going to add in egg yolk and cheese. Then it becomes what sauce? It changes the name. You should know as a French.
I'm familiar with what you said.
Huh? Mornay sauce.
Oh.
Sauce Mornay.
M-O-R-N-A-Y.
Huh? Sauce Mornay. It's the same, but bechamel is the basic sauce. That's the mother sauce. And with adding on different ingredients, it changes the name. Because later I'm going to bake. I cover it over the lasagna and I bake it. And if I only have milk, it will have no color. If I add in cheese, it will get a little bit color. And if I add egg yolk, it becomes a beautiful golden color. I easily can add in some more salt. As I said, it's a very dull sauce. Flour, butter, and milk. You need to season it quite strong. a little bit more.
Oops.
Okay, okay. Okay, I have about the right thickness now. Soon. You see no lumps? And the shininess goes away, because if it's too shiny, that means the flour, the starch, the gluten of the flour has not yet cooked out of the sauce. So we want to make it not look too shiny. Okay. I'm adding a handful of Parmesan cheese. Taking it away from the heat.
I enjoy it.
Now it's important that this sauce does not boil anymore and cools down a little bit. Why? If I put egg yolk inside, it gets scrambled egg, and I don't want that. So don't make it too hot. Give me one more egg. Finito is my Mornay sauce.
Look, that's hot.
Hot?
That's hot.
Yes, no more.